It is very important to drain all water from your pool equipment before storing for the winter. Any remaining water in your filtration system can potentially cause cracks that can affect its performance. This tutorial will show you how to properly winterize and store your earth filtration system to prevent freeze damage during the winter months. Let's get started with the filter. After your pool has been properly winterized, disconnect the hoses from the skimmer, return, and all fittings attached to the pump and the filter. Open the drain cap located towards the bottom of the tank and let the water fully drain. Make sure to leave the drain cap off while in storage. Now, disassemble the earth tank. Using a screwdriver, remove the clamp located at the top. Hose off and thoroughly clean the fingers. Allow to completely dry. Next, take the bottom half of the earth tank and turn it over to make sure all of the water is fully drained. Now we'll detach the pump. Take the 2 screws out of the pump where it is attached to the base. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the drain plug located on the bottom of the pump strainer housing and remove the lid from the pump. Tilt the pump until all of the water is fully drained. Take a cloth and wipe down all components of the pump and filter system to ensure that all the water has been cleared. We recommend storing hose clamps and small plugs inside of the pump strainer housing so you have them ready when hooking up your filtration system next season. Store your pump, filter system, and hoses in a dry location protected from the elements. This will give you the ultimate protection against the harsh winters we are accustomed to in the Midwest. If you have any questions, please reach out to your nearest Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.